Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling assistive touch so your hand motions register. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to Accessibility, then turn on Assistive Touch. Once done, give permission for motion and wrist data. Make sure the Series 10 sits snugly, sensors clean, and skin exposed. This improves detection. Next, tap Gesture Training and follow the guided steps to teach double pinch and clench. Practice 3 repetitions each so the watch builds an accurate motion profile before moving on. Once trained, practice the core moves slowly so you feel the feedback. Double pinch acts like a tap or selection. If you hold the pinch a moment, it becomes a press and hold for contextual actions. Double clench typically scrolls or moves through lists, while a single clench can summon the action menu. Make deliberate, natural motions and watch the screen for the cursor or selection indicator. If detection is jittery, go back to assistive touch settings and adjust sensitivity or repeat training to refine recognition. To finish, map gestures to the actions you use most. In assistive touch, pick what double pinch, clench, and hold do for you. Once done, tweak sensitivity and retrain any gesture that feels off so the watch matches your hand's strength and speed. If something still fails, restart the Series 10, reseat the band, and ensure Watch OS is current. These steps fix most tracking glitches. If detection is consistently wrong, repeat calibration in a well-lit area with bare skin to restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.